95 is going for, oh, what? Oh, what the hell? Yeah, look at these. 50 bucks for some women's Air Force Ones. Today, look at this. Air Max Ones. 60 bucks, dude. These are size 11. Go for 100 bucks, dude. It fits, so I'm gonna have to get a size 10. They do have the 10s here going for 130. What's going on, you guys? At an undisclosed Shoe Palace. I'm here to try to get information regarding the 4s, so yeah, we'll see what's up. See if we can get some info. And I'll look around for you guys, obviously. All right, they got these. I think it says 11s or something. Kind of a little bit bigger, so they don't have that many sizes left. The blue, the great ones. But this place specializes in having a bunch of like the older ones for a really good price. These go for what? This is a bigger size though. 139, okay, not bad. We saw these for 100 at that other spot. It's a huge size though. Oh, 129 here. Okay. 139 for the UNCs. 150 for the satin 5s. Those are smaller size too. And they still got the shadow 10s, man. Man, I need to get me one of these. Look at that, the quality of that suede, man. Look at the quality of that suede. That is nice, man. I was kind of whatever about these. I think I saw these in the outlet, but they did have a size 10.5, and 10.5 didn't fit, so I'm gonna have to get a size 10. They do have the 10s here going for 130. But man, that's just, I'm waiting for the 4s. They got the reverse taxis going for retail. Okay. 9.5, so yeah, they still got plenty of sizes. Atmosphere Gray 13s going for 140. That's not bad. Not bad. Why aren't these on sale, man? I've been saying this every time I see these. Why aren't they on sale? Every other one's on sale. Not that one. That one's been out forever. Still not on sale, man. That's frustrating. I'm gonna get these eventually. Got some Jordan 1 those. Super clean, all white. Can't go wrong with all white. I can, but you guys can't because I mess all white shoes up. I'm wearing these today and I'm afraid to get these dirty as hell. Got several other Jordan 1s, all going for 100 bucks or 90 bucks, right? 90. Yeah, 90 bucks. Got the snakeskins. One of my boys is asking me about this. I'm gonna have to ask to see if they got this. So that's 9.5. These are 10.5. I think these are 10.5 here. So I'm gonna go see what they got. These are size 11. Go for 100 bucks, dude. 100 bucks, not bad. Got a couple of the Fearless. You guys, not bad. These are sitting everywhere though, so not a huge surprise. But yeah, they got a good number of the ones, man. A lot of mids though. I think a lot of mids. But they do got some highs. They got the Defiant. They got the band ones right here too. It's a bigger size though. Yeah, they got the band ones going for retail. We got the Nike Cortez. These are like the nylon version for women. 40 bucks. But yeah, they got a few different sizes too. They do got the Puma RSX. These are the Shoe Palace collab exclusive. Yeah, go for 100 bucks. They go for like 129 or something. Yeah, not bad. In the women's section, they got the snakeskin, the pink snakeskins. I don't know the price though. Yeah, they're on sale though. Not bad, they're on sale. Jordan 1 lows go 50 bucks, man. 50 bucks. Not the biggest fan of the color, but the silhouette, dope. The Air Force One section, the ones that do have the sale prices on them, 50 bucks. 50 bucks. Other ones are going for retail. They do got the Witness 4s. These are pretty dope, dude. Pretty dope. With the Zoom air cushion right there. Not bad, 100 bucks. A few of the Air Max going on sale. 98s go for 100 bucks. These as well go for $100. Most of those are ones going for retail. 95s going for, oh, what? Oh, what the hell? These are size 12s. They're 50 bucks. Oh my goodness. 50 freaking dollars. That's crazy. This is a size 10, going for 80, dude. That's crazy. 80, 50% off. 50% off. That's nuts. Another one go for $100. $100, you guys. Dang, that's a deal right there. $60 off. Just kind of walk around everywhere. Yeah, look at these. $50 for some women's Air Force Ones. Dang, that's dope. That is dope. It's like a patent leather one. It's really dope. Dang, $50. That's crazy. The other one's going for retail. All right, since we're already here, let's check out some of the stuff on sale. We're not gonna check everything out because we're gonna stop by a bunch. Orlando 10s, 140. Orlando 10s, 140. Not bad. These size 11. So might be that they just have the bigger sizes. I'd rather get the shadows that I saw at the other Shoe Palace. Not bad. Kind of the same stuff on sale that we saw at that other Shoe Palace, but yeah, dude, this leather is like really nice on these sixes, man. These leather is not bad. It's going for $129. Not bad. Bigger sizes though. Got the New York Knicks 5, dude. Look at that leather. Yeah, is that the true leather quality, or is that just broken in since it's been sitting there and nobody's touching it? Like, wow. Wow, that's plush, you guys. That is plush. Oh, nice, going for $120. These are huge sizes though. Dang, $120, man. That's what's up, man. That is what's up. Let's see what size it is. Trying to get a little quick peek. I can't tell, you guys. Can't tell. Oh, there's the size. Size 13, dude. Going for $120, man. $120. That's what's up, man. Got the wannabe shadow backboard mids. Alright. Going for what, 110? Alright, pretty much got the usual suspect, you guys. Nothing. I looked at all the ones that are on sale, and wow, man, for you Bigfooters, man, they got some heat here. They got heat here, you guys. Dang, the LeBron 16s, regular price. That's really surprising. Oh wait, oh, these are $100. Okay, the glows go for $100. Not bad. That's a really good deal, actually. The MLPS colorway though, go for $185. I'm surprised to see that. That's crazy. I just found the Chinese New Year's for crazy cheap at the outlets. I'm wondering which one I like better. Which one do I like better? I don't know. Kind of feel like I like the materials better on this one, like the suede. The other one has that satin material, but this one, I kind of like the white right there on the Chinese New Year's. I don't know. And the gold, I like the little gold hit right there too. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I got the Orlando's going for $139 here too, man. That's what's up, man. So 10.5 though, 10.5, probably 10.5 and up. What do you guys think about these? I can't tell. I don't know. I do like the mint color. Do like that colorway, but I don't know. I'm kind of whatever about this. The mint island green, whatever. But yeah, and I like the materials. I like the suede down here. Big fan of the suede. The suedes are always really, really nice on the bottom, buttery, but I don't know. Like this seems pretty good. The leather right here, but I don't know. Who likes the crocodile, the alligator skin? Who's into that? Who's into that? Because that's the one thing that I'm iffy about. Not a fan of that. Kind of the same things on sale as the other one. $139 for these. $139. Size 13 though. So you Bigfooters, dude, $139 for this. Not bad. Thought we sell for $100. Though, but not bad though. Not bad. That's pretty much it when it comes to the Jordans. The ones on sale, at least. You know, they do have pretty much all the latest ones, but none of them are on sale. They got the What the For apparel. But I don't pay retail for apparel. $85. Yeah, I'm good on that. They got all the, what the hell? They got the fanny packs, man. Really? You're paying $30 for some ugly fanny packs? What the t-shirts go for? Let's see what the t-shirts are going for. $35 for a t-shirt. That's crazy. That's crazy. The logos are dope though. The logos are dope. Big fan of the logos. I think we saw this at the last, or a couple Shoe Palaces ago. Dang, $50. That's dope, you guys. Scarface shirts are dope. That's just a long sleeve. Those are the last two were pullovers. This is just a long sleeve. $30. $30 for that one. All the 720s, pretty much all the 720s go for $100. Bunch of them go for $100. Those are $100. Those are 100. These are 100. You don't see too many of these at the outlets. Not bad. The all black. These are 100. And then the Volt. These are always. Oh, these are 90. These are always cheaper than the other ones. And I got the blue ones, you guys. That's a really good selection of the 720s. That's not bad, dude. Not bad. $100. Same as outlets. Same as outlets. Hopefully this is stop number 4, you guys. I just don't know if they have a raffle for sure. So, yeah, hopefully this is stop number 4. Let's see what's up. See what's up. Alright, so we're looking around. We have Finish Line. We're looking around. Look at this. The Witness 4 is already on sale. That's crazy. These are $100. Yeah, I can't believe they're already on sale. So we've only been out for not that long. That's crazy. Couple months, I think, at most, if that. That's nuts. That's nuts. On this colorway, why is this colorway? Because that's the original colorway. Why is the black and red one? What's up with that? Wow, that's crazy. The Soldier 13s. Slight sale, slight sale. Not even worth talking about because they're all regular price and there's nothing too hot right now. Nothing too hot. Alright, these aren't on sale. What do you guys think about these? The reason I'm looking at it because I'm wearing my $35 pair. $35 pair, but yeah, that's an All Bros 2. All Bros 1, All Bros 2. What do you guys think about these? Alright, all of the PGs are on sale, the PG3s, but yeah, they're $20 off, not that big a deal. What do you guys think about these? Yeah, these aren't on sale, but these are the latest NASA versions. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. I've not seen any of these at the outlets. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. Not bad. Not bad. I know people are loving these. Not bad, you guys. Alright, we got a couple of Vapor Max on sale. What do you guys think about these? These are dope. $50 off. We've seen plenty of Vapor Max for $100 at the outlet, so that's kind of usually what I shoot for, but hey, $50 off. What do you guys think about these? These are pretty dope. They're pretty dope. Going for $150. We've seen these a few times. And we've also seen this colorway. But yeah, not bad. Not bad. Alright, I just did the raffle. Yeah, just figured I'd look around. You guys can see what I'm seeing. Not one good thing on sale. That's surprising. Not one Jordan on sale. That's crazy. Got a bunch of the Hydros, but none of these are any good. Like, look what's interesting. They got the Tinker 3s, which are pretty cool. Okay, $150. It's still a little bit high. But yeah, so they got these right here, and then they got all those. They got those rings, 6 rings, and they got those generic ones. That's interesting. That's interesting. They got these huge ones. Yeah, super smooth. Look at that. See, now I'm starting to realize why everybody likes these ones. Okay, super nice, dude. The leather's super buttery. $100. Only the huge sizes though. Only $100 though. Alright, so I'm just looking around. Yeah, what the hell? They still got these here? These are super huge though. Oh, these are size 13, so they only got the huge sizes left. But blues are great ones. Blues are great ones. Yeah. The material, man, it's on point, man. It's corduroy material. Got suede. Pretty much suede all over. Super plush, dude. Super plush. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad. $139. Still find them here and there. We're checking out the stuff on sale. There really isn't much, but you got some human races. Is that what that's what these are called, right? Human race? Oh, but these are the cheap ones, dude. No boost on it or nothing. Pretty whatever. $50 though. Those you guys who are into that. 110 down to $50. Look at how tiny these are. These are dope though. Look at how tiny these are. These are 16Cs, so these are the preschool size. Yeah, go for what? Go for $50 as opposed to what? 50 bucks as opposed to 100, right? That's what's up. Still got a Jordan 1. It's a mid. It's a mid, and yeah, it's pretty cheap feeling. Pretty cheap feeling. I agree with you guys, man. I'm starting to agree with you guys. $50 though. $50, not bad. $50, normally 90. Dang, I can't believe they try to get 90 for those. That's crazy. I got a few things on sale. The Kyrie 5s, these are the Mamba Mentalities. $100, $30 off, not bad. Kobe ABs going for $80. It's like a black colorway with gum bottom. $80, not bad. These bad boys going for $100. Kobe lows going for $100, not bad. We've got one more of these. Got one more of these. Go for $100. And then we got last one right here. Last one. Kobe ADs these are going for $100. All blue colorways. Interesting. Can't really tell what patterns on it. Oh, it's a snake. It's a mamba. Okay. Not bad. $100. I wouldn't pay that much, but these I think we're normally what, $150? I think so. Dude, got more LeBrons. A couple more Kyries too. I found these at the outlet. These are on sale for $110. Not bad. Because these normally go for what, $160 or something. So these are kind of on sale. Yeah, so some of these are on sale, just not priced, I guess, or not marked. Their prices on the Air Max are really good today. Look at this, the Air Max ones, $60, dude. $60 freaking dollars. Not bad. Not bad. $60, man. These are pretty dope, especially for that price. $100 for these, like $60 off. Air Max 95. It's like a, I don't know. This is like the island green and gray colorway. I don't know. These go for $129. I didn't even notice these were Vapor Max 95s, huh? Yeah, okay. $129 for these bad boys. $100 for these 95s. $100 for the Have a Nike Day 95s. And then $129 for the Vapor Max 95. Not bad. That's not bad at all. I've been here numerous times. I've never noticed the pillars on the walls. This actually looks like a bunch of Nike boxes. That's actually dope. I've never seen that. All these 270s going for $100. Actually, you know what? This one's only going for 90 though. Wait, actually, this one's only going for 90. That's interesting. And these, which we saw at another Shoe Palace at 400, these are going for 160. That's crazy. I think that's mislabeled. Those are probably going for 100. We've seen those at other outlets, other Shoe Palaces go for 100. The Air Max 200. These bad boys on sale for 70. These going for 70 as well. And these bad boys go for 70. I've never known that. These are retail. The retail for these are $150. I did not know that for the 270s. I've never known that. I've never actually wanted a 270 sale. I didn't know those are that expensive. Damn. All right, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Pretty much about it. All right, if you like these type of videos, go ahead. Make sure you guys like this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead, subscribe, press that notification bell so you guys know when the newest videos are coming. Yeah, and thanks so much for joining, you guys. Do not forget about all of the giveaways that are coming up. The next several weeks, I'm gonna have a bunch of different giveaways. I'm gonna be giving away Funko Pops. I still have 2 Jordan Funko Pops, and I still have a t-shirt. I'm gonna be buying other stuff as well. There's only 2 requirements, you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. So make sure you guys do those, and watch every video, because I'm gonna be doing the giveaways at random times in the video. So make sure you guys pay attention, and thanks for joining, guys. Peace.